Hi, Dominika here, your vocal coach from Singing Carrots. Today I'm here to show you how to use our vocal range test. Let's get to it. We're going to go over to our main menu and select vocal range test. When you click on it, it will lead you to the next page and you will see a big green question. Did you warm up? If you feel you're ready to sing, you don't need any exercises. You're going to click skip and start the test. But if you feel like you might probably benefit from some warm-ups, you're going to click warm me up. This will show you a little video, 3-minute warm-up that you can do. And as soon as it's ready and done, you're gonna click start vocal range test. Okay, let's find your vocal range. We're gonna be using your microphone, so please make sure it's on. You can always double check it to the left of singingcarrots.com. My microphone is on, and I can also see little green color showing up on the piano means the microphone is on. Okay, the only next thing you have to do is sing as low and as high as you can. I'm gonna use the vowel A. You can go ahead and use E, A, whatever feels comfortable. I'm gonna start on my low pitch and then I'm gonna climb up. Here we go. Okay, this seems to be my lowest one. Then I'm gonna go up high. Okay, that's really high. Sorry about that. Okay, well, as soon as it detected my lowest and highest note, they will show up orange. And to the left, you will see what the note is. In my case, it's D3. It will give me suggestion on which artist can sing that low. And then to the right, you will see the highest pitch, in my case, F3, and give also suggestion who else sings that high. The next thing you can do is save your results, and they will stay within your profile. That's all. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope it really helped. Keep singing.